Today I'd like to show you a technique which I love. I call it liquid metal. Firstly, I'd like to say that this was shown to me by a friend called Antonio Damian, who in that time was a teacher in the University of Granada in the department of the graphic department. This was about 10 or 12 years ago, and he took me to his studio and showed me the technique, and I loved it. And since then I've been experimenting, and I think I've produced some really interesting prints. And what I like about it is you can use it on any kind of material. You can use it on plastic, on glass. I use old solar plates and old etched plates. And if you like, you can come down to my studio and I'll show you how to do it.